Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're talking about harvesting your peppers. Knowing when to pick your peppers can depend on the variety and how you plan to use them. Let's dive into the best tips for harvesting peppers at just the right time. For sweet peppers, like bell peppers, you can harvest them when they're green for a crisper, slightly bitter taste, or let them ripen to red, yellow, or orange for a sweeter flavor. Jalapeños can be picked when green for a mild heat, or you can wait until they turn red for a sweeter, hotter kick. Cayenne and other hot peppers should be harvested when they've fully turned red for the best flavor and heat. To know if your peppers are ripe, look for firm skin and a deep, vibrant color. The pepper should easily detach from the plant with a gentle twist. If it's still hard to pull, it may need more time on the vine. Your harvest time may also depend on how you plan to use the peppers. For example, if you're making salsa, you might prefer green jalapeños. If drying peppers for spice, like cayennes, wait until they've fully matured and turned red. By paying attention to the variety and ripeness, you'll ensure your peppers are perfect for your desired use. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy harvesting!